Welcome back again to my channel, and thank you for watching my videos, guys. Your support means a lot to me, and as much as I put out these videos out there, I hope you learn something from these videos. Okay, so I hope as well that you're gonna be learning something today. Okay, something useful, something that you're gonna be implementing in your life to make money. Okay, so today we're going to be doing something a little much more different from what you've been doing in the past 2 weeks or so, or 3 weeks, I don't know, but in the past few weeks. So Appen.com, this one that you see right over here. Okay, so Appen.com, you can do a lot on Appen.com. Okay, if you've been trying to make money online, okay, and you've been failing multiple number of times, okay, you've been failing drastically, you've probably like at this stage given up. Okay, I'm saying don't lose hope, because Appen has got your back. Okay, it's simple, it's easy to do, it's easy to set up, it's easy to even get the tasks like done on Appen. Okay, so without wasting more time, let's just hop in and see what Appen is about. Okay, along the way I'm going to be explaining a couple of things, so yeah, if you think I'm not explaining much stuff with what Appen is, don't worry, I have a back. Okay, I'm going to be explaining a lot of things as time goes on. Okay, so let's just hop in and go to appen.com. Okay, so before doing that, we're not going to search for appen.com, we're going to search for Appen freelance jobs. Okay, so Appen freelance job, you're going to select that and let Google sorry about this. So you're gonna let Appen freelance jobs pop up in your Google search engine. Okay, so you're gonna select find jobs you love. Now here's the thing. Here's an advice from me to you guys. If you select projects, okay, as you can see, they say that part-time flexible jobs that you can do, so work from home, that can be done anywhere in the world. Okay, so if you select projects, let me tell you something, you're gonna be earning a lot of money compared to these micro tasks as well as survey and data collection. Okay, so I prefer to actually apply for projects rather than micro tasks and surveys. You can apply for all three of them, I don't know, it's up to you. Okay, so for me, I would advise you to, if you're just looking to make a lot of money, okay, you're not gonna be getting rich, okay, but then you're just gonna be making, decent amount of money on Appen. So I would suggest that you actually go for project. Okay, so just click on apply, and a window is gonna pop up. Okay, so the applications are relatively easy. Okay, so I'm gonna be going through them and showing you guys how they look like. Okay, so current Appen assignments, I would advise you to read all that, and once you've read that and once you've understood, you can actually click on in which country you actually live in. So Appen is not only exclusive to South Africa. Okay, it's not only exclusive to South Africa, all other countries can actually, if you live in, let's say, Uganda, whatever, you can go to Appen and become a freelance worker. Okay, but as for me and you, I'm assuming we are in South Africa, so you're gonna select there and just wait for it to load over there. It'll pop up this right over here, language. This is important. As you can see, they've marked it as important because they're going to be using it to give you or assess you certain tasks, and they will be in this preferred language you're going to be selecting over here. So what language is your primary language? I'd advise, if you're in South Africa, select English. Okay, so you're going to select English. Now what is the dialect? Just wait for it. The dialect is South African. Okay, it's not that much of a big deal. Just select South Africa. You don't have to select the US. So do you speak any additional languages? You can actually click on add another language. I do speak another additional language, but so it will probably be advantageous for you to add another language, because for example, Appen will be giving out some of the translation jobs to people. Okay, so if there's a company or a specific individual who's trying to translate, let's say, from Xhosa to English, you might be the guy. Okay, South Africa should be, if you are South African, you should be, this should be for you. I mean, we have like 11 official languages. I mean, this should be free money. Okay, so you should just go down and just find whichever additional language you speak. Okay, I speak Xhosa, so I'm going to add that in there, the dialect. You're gonna select whichever dialect it is. Okay, hold on, it's just taking a little bit more time. The dialect, okay, is South African. So the fluency, I'm a native speaker, and your written fluency, I'm pretty much fluent. Okay, so you can add another one if you're speaking more than just these, just more than two. So you can add another one right over here. Okay, so just select next if otherwise. So as you can see here, it says, oh, sorry about that. Hold on, let me just go back because I need to explain a little bit of something. If you, oh, hold on, let me just add a little bit of a language. I apologize for that. Let's just try to find it again. Where is it? Closer. But then what I wanted to show you was this. Check this box if you are a translator. If you are a translator, which is involving translating one language to the other one, just you're gonna have to click this box. Okay, that's what I wanted to actually show you. But yeah, otherwise just just leave it like that. Okay, so now you click on next. And one thing I didn't mention was that on Appen, okay, you can do transcription. What basically that means is that you take an audio file and you convert that into a text file, okay, by typing what you hear. That is as simple as that, guys. It's a no-brainer. You don't have to be, it's not rocket science. It's easy like that. So anyways, this is the registration process. I would advise you to read through that again. We don't have that time. So contact information, put all your details there, every single thing that you have, telephone, every single thing that you have over here. And once you're finished, you're gonna submit your application. Now once you've submitted your application, you're gonna get an email telling you that you have been accepted to work with Appen, and you're gonna go through all the necessary things that you're gonna be showing you. Okay. Now what I want to show you now is a simple Appen process. Okay, when you've actually been qualified, you're gonna need to have something called a Payoneer account. Okay, a Payoneer account is the account that you're gonna be paid through. Okay, when you do certain tasks, Appen will actually give you offer the payments to Payoneer, and Payoneer will actually take all that money that you've made into one of your bank accounts. It could be PayPal, it could be your credit card, or whatever it is. Okay, so you have to make sure that it is a credit card. If you're gonna use your bank, your national, your country's bank account, whether it's Capitec, whatever, you're gonna have to make sure that it's a credit card, not a debit card. Okay, I don't know, but most of these online payment systems, they require credit card. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So what I was talking about is I was talking about Payoneer. Let's just hop in and see it really quickly. So Payoneer, you're gonna also need to make an account, just like that. You're gonna also need to make an account on Payoneer. It's absolutely simple. You don't have to waste time and all of that unnecessary things. They just made everything easy. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so on Payoneer, what can I tell you? You just need to sign in or register. If you're new, just register. I would advise you to register. So just click on register and try to see how the entire process actually works like. Okay, so let's just find you the right account. Yeah, they're gonna show you all the type of accounts that you're actually gonna do. But then for me, since I am actually a member, I'm just gonna sign in. Okay, so let's just sign in right over there. Click on sign in, and just want to show you the overview of Payoneer in general, so that you get a feel of how your invoices will actually look like when they're stacked up. Okay, so there is it. There is it. Okay, there we go. This is for when you actually register. When you register, you're gonna see something like that. Okay. Oh, oops, I said sign up. So when you sign up, anyways, let me just show you guys. Anyway, so when you sign up, you're gonna see all of this. You're gonna see your getting started, your contact details, security details, and you're just gonna be almost done. So go through this process and see what they say or do, and So yes, we are actually back at the front, because yeah, now that some people want to register, you're gonna actually say sign in. Okay, let's click on sign in. Okay, so we just waiting for it to load. So yeah, now since I'm signing in, I'm just gonna show you guys just a little bit of an overview of how your stuff is going to look like. Okay, just recently changed my password because they just like, you know, updating the security of their website. So I just changed my password. So let me just put that in there and just sign in. Okay, so new to Payoneer, as you can see, they're still giving an option to sign up. So if you're still new, just sign up there. But then if you have just done all the signing, the sign up process, and you are completely okay, then just log in, and I'm going to show you how it's going to be looking like. Okay, so this is the activity that you're going to be seeing right there. You're going to see your activity on this tab right over here. Okay, no thanks. You're gonna see all your transactions over here. So I may not have any transactions right now because it's been a long time I've been here. It's probably like 2 years. When was it? Last time I visited was actually today, because I was trying to make a video for you guys, so it might show us today. So it's actually been a long time since I've been here. So you're gonna have to link your PayPal account, or it's not a must to actually link PayPal. You can link your bank account, but I would advise you to actually have a credit card before you link it, because that's what I'm assuming they may actually accept, rather than a debit card. Okay, just find a credit card and just link, and it has to have your name, not anybody else's. Okay, it has to be yours. Okay, so now that I just prefer to use PayPal because it's actually the platform that I use online. It's actually secure and easy to use. So yeah, you're gonna see all a bunch of stuff there. Yeah, so now that you've done, you're gonna be done with setting up your Payoneer account. What you're going to be doing is that you're going to actually start receiving projects. Okay, they're going to go, how you're going to see if you have project, they're going to come through your email. Okay, so let me just show you that in a little bit. Okay, so this is what they would actually come to. Okay, oh yeah, we have an enlightened panel. So I did make a video about enlightened panel, so be sure to actually check it out. This is 15 Rand for just one survey. I don't know how long it'll take, but then it's actually easy money. So that is it. Support, they come as support, so you should see that more often when you are working with Appen. New project available. This is called Foster Eng ZAF. So you're gonna actually have to log into your account. Let's click there to see what the project is all about. Okay, actually a simple process, rather less complicated and all that stuff. Okay, you're gonna have to log in with your email address that you should have used to sign up for Appen. Okay, so, and just put in your password, and once you've completed that, you're gonna just click on login. Just gonna wait for it to load, and yeah, it's gonna be displaying its main. Yeah, this is what you expect to see first time on Appen. It may look different for you. I'm sorry, let me just say that out. It may look different for you because you haven't been accepted for much of projects, but then you should expect to not see anything over here just for you. Okay, so you're gonna have to actually select project I'm not yet qualified for, or all projects. So I prefer selecting all projects to see all the projects that they have on my profile, like matching my demographics. Okay, if you're South African and whatever, you're gonna see something a little bit much more similar. Okay, if you are from other places around the world, well, expect yours to be probably more or less the same. Okay, so as you can see, I've told you this before, that Appen actually pays consistently. Did I say that? No, I don't think I said that. But anyways, Appen pays consistently. What that means is that they would pay you $10 a week. Then they would keep that consistent. Okay, they give you surveys consistently. They will give you these per week, and they'll pay you per week, which is an awesome thing about Appen. Okay, and you can do the math, you'd probably have like $40 per month, and that's a good amount of money, to be honest. It's not only $10 per hour in these projects. Some of them are actually $5 per task. Some of them are actually $0.01 per task. Actually, this is the one we actually came for, but then I'm gonna be showing you just a little bit more. $21 per hour, $25 an hour, $10 an hour, $12 per task. So this is what we're gonna be seeing over here. So this is what we came here for. So we're gonna actually learn more, because if you learn more, you get a little bit of feel what you are expected to do. Okay, so welcome to Foster English in South Africa Transcription Project Qualification. So you're going to be transcribing a little bit of text. So on average, they're going to be paying you $5 to $6 per hour of work. This is not bad. Okay, $5 to $6 an hour per work. And imagine if they're paying you that weekly. It's not bad, considering that there are other additional tasks or projects. You shouldn't be complaining. You should be, settled. Okay, so work requirements, you will need at least 20 hours per week while maintaining a quality score of like 80%. Okay, this is good news. 20 hours per week. Do the math. If you're working 6 times 20, if you are earning $5 per week, then you're doing per hour, and if you multiply that by 20 hours, how much do you get? It's like $100 a week. It's a lot of money. $100 a week. That's something like 1,600 rands. That's good money, to be honest. That's really good. I won't lie. This is good. You just need 20 hours a week. So you're just gonna go through the project, and once you've seen it, you're just gonna have to read and accept this whole entire thing. So this is a good thing, to be honest, guys. Now that you've seen and heard and processed what Appen is about, I hope you're gonna use this knowledge to actually go through Appen and start your own path with Appen, your own relationship with Appen. Okay, so be sure to actually visit Appen and go through the entire process that I actually showed you. And yeah, I'm just looking out for you. I care much about you that I'm actually showing you all this stuff. Okay, so the only thing that you have to do for me is just go to my YouTube channel and just do me just a simple thing, absolutely simple thing. Just click on the like button, right, and subscribe button. Okay, and turn on the post notification so that every single time I upload a new video, you get notified. Okay, so I would deeply appreciate you guys if you do that for me, because it takes a lot of time to make these videos, and it takes a lot of research, and I always ensure that I bring out the content that's not going to compromise your personal information or anything like that. Okay, so without wasting more further time, today I have a giveaway for you guys. So if you've managed to actually stay throughout to this video, if you've stayed out even to the end of this video, it's like, I don't know, 17 minutes long, but then I have something for you. Okay, I have a voucher that I'm gonna be giving out. Okay, the voucher that I'm gonna be giving out is, you're gonna be using it for whatever you want to do, but only at ShopRite or Checkers. Okay, now what you have to do to qualify for this voucher, okay, if you want to win the voucher, okay, what you have to do is just subscribe, like a video, then send me a screenshot of that. Okay, I'll leave my WhatsApp number below. That's where you're going to be sending it to me. Don't spam me, don't do anything you would regret at the end of the day. Just do what I'm asking you to do. Okay, so with that being said, I'll see you next time, and have a nice day, guys. Ciao.